Because Harlech is also claiming to have the steepest road in the world. And it's over there.
Well, they need claim no more. It's officially official. As of the 16th of July 2019, Guinness World Records have ratified that Fort Penllech in Harlech is indeed the steepest street in the world.
Sisimula na kaming maglakad. Grabe yung tarik niyan. Tinukat ko ng cellphone 39, nagpo-40 pa nga eh. Panis dito yung ano, sa may UK ba yun? Pwede na kami punta ng MOA. Sunduin namin si Sir Robin. Then pagkarating ng MOA, dire-diretso na kami pa Baguio. Right. Moving na ako. Let's go. Let's go to MOA. Then after MOA, let's go to Baguio na. Right. Kami sa katrapika ng Sapote. Sobrang traffic, kakalagpas lang ng sobrang traffic. Dito na kami sa ano, Pasay, Okada. Lapit na kami ng MOA. Sa MOA. Ayan yung globe ng MOA. Ayan sila sa likod. Ayan yung MOA. MOA globe. Leto na kami. Let's go. Kaming 5 papuntang Baguio. Ayan, kompleto na kami 5. Dito na kami sa PICC. PICC na to. Kompleto na kami 5. Going Baguio. Bulacan. Hindi ko nakunan eh, kakalampas lang namin ng Barasway Church. Malaking church. Hindi ko alam kung Barasway Church yun. Basta nasa Malolos na kami. Okay. Malolos City Hall, oh. Malolos City Hall. Ito na yung arko ng Pampanga. Welcome to Pampanga. Pampanga na kami, boys. Woo! Dito na kami sa San Fernando, Pampanga. Welcome, San Fernando. San Fernando, Pampanga. Picture muna sila.
Asar mo kasing masakit yung tiyan, yan. Tiyan mo tuloy yung luto.
Kain dito.
Sanda pa, ha?
Approaching Angeles City, Pampanga, then Tarlac. Welcome to Angeles City, Pampanga. Ganda ng kalsado, ilaw. Alright. Ganda ng kalsada dito sa Angeles, oh. Ano nyo, parang airport. Airport na airport, eh. Yun, approaching na po kami dun sa sikat na bridge sa Tarlac, yung Bamban. Lapit na, 2 kilometers siguro. Okay. Welcome to Tarlac, guys.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this with the happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
Yun o, kita nyo ba yun? Yan. Arko ng La Union. Dito na yun. Kabilaan. Wala ng tubig eh. Welcome to Benguet Province. You see that? Benguet Province. Ganda ng lugar dito. Yun, ang kabundukan, paakyat ng Baguio. Alright. Saglit tapos ako na Baguio. Kita niyo yung bundok na yan. Yan, ganyan kataas yung aakitin namin. 1,500 meters elevation. Grabe ahon. Rotary International. Grabe, ano? Tarik pa niya, no? Sobra. Grabe naman, mga kapatid. Ano ba yan? Naku, mukhang titirik pa itong truck. Naku, titirik nga. Tarik, men! Simulan na namin mag-trek. Dalawa to eh. Cycling tsaka trekking. Yan taas. Sisimula na kaming maglakad. Grabe yung tarik niyan. Tinukat ko ng cellphone 39. Nagpo-40 pa nga eh. Panis dito yung ano. Sa may UK ba yun? Mga kasama natin. Guess, where are we? Uy! May ulo ng leon. Ahon! Sobrang tarik dito mga kapuso. Nakakabasag ng tuhod. Tarik. Lunch muna kami dito sa sikat na basta sikat ang fried chicken dito. Wraps fried chicken sila. Then uwi na kami pa Manila. Pauwi na kami. Uwi na! Uwi na! Balik sa lugar na mainit. Okay na to. Kinakarga na ho yung aming bike dito sa Solid North na bus.